Let's look at how to generate your Closeout Manual in Closeout Pro. First, you must customize your project manual using the Settings tab. In the Settings option, you will be able to change the cover page settings, customize the project sync options, project setup settings, user permissions, manual settings, and will also be able to generate the QR codes. Let's dive into each section one by one. First, the cover page settings. In this section, you can customize your manual cover page specific to your project. Change the project details like project name, address, and manual name if you want it to be different than Procore. You have an option to add your company logo and your project image for the cover page specific to your project. Furthermore, in sync settings, you will find an option to change the sync settings if you want, from the construction submittals and closeout items if something has changed since you first created the project. The project should auto-sync once every day, but you do have an option to manually sync the project with Procore using the Sync Complete Project option in this section. Now, in manual settings, users can reorder the sequence of sections, hide any section that is not required, or even change the name of the section as they want it to appear in the Closeout, Manual, and Closeout folders. After completing all the settings, in the Closeout Manual section, the user can review the table of contents and all the items within each section before generating the manual. Once everything is reviewed, click on the Download option in the upper right corner of your screen and select the Download Manual option for the Closeout Manual PDF. The user can also download the folder structure with files as shown in the Navigation tab using the Download Folder option. Thanks for watching this video. For more details, please visit our website, closeoutpro.com.